This could be our first real look at what the 2027 Hyundai Elantra might become in America. This thing looks way more expensive than an Elantra has any business looking.
Hyundai has already shown the new Avante overseas, and since the Avante is basically the Korean market version of the Elantra, that gives us a strong hint at where the next generation could be heading. But this blue concept we produced, this feels like the American version. The Elantra has always been a car people buy because it makes sense. It's affordable, efficient, practical, and easy to live with. But this concept makes it look like something people would actually want, not just something they need. Just look at the front end. The current Elantra already has a sharp design, but this concept takes that idea and makes it feel more mature and refined. The headlights are thinner, the grille is stretched wider, and the lower bumper has a more aggressive shape that makes the car look lower and wider than it probably is. It almost has this mini Sonata, mini Ioniq, futuristic sedan vibe going on. Unlike the current Elantra, this one doesn't look like it's trying so hard to be different. The current model has a lot of sharp cuts and dramatic creases. It stands out, but it can look a little too busy. This 2027 concept feels like the next step. Still bold, still sporty, but way more grown up. The hood is smoother, the lighting is sharper, and the whole front end has a much more confident look. It's not covered in random fake vents. It's not screaming for attention. It's just clean, modern, and a little bit mean.
This looks like the kind of car someone would buy because they need a smart daily driver, but also because they actually like the way it looks.
From the side, this is where the design starts to feel more premium. The profile is sleek, smooth, and almost fastback-like. The roofline flows nicely into the rear. The body sides are cleaner than the current Elantra, and the whole shape gives the car a more expensive sedan look. It doesn't look like a basic economy car anymore. It looks like Hyundai is moving the Elantra closer to the Sonata and Ioniq styling family, but without making it too futuristic or strange. The wheels help a lot too. They give the car a more upscale look without making it feel like a full performance model. This doesn't have to be an Elantra N to look good. Even as a regular SE, SEL, limited, hybrid N-line, or future Elantra N, this design would still have strong road presence. This concept doesn't only work as a sporty version, it works as a normal daily driver too. You can picture this being used for commuting, college, rideshare driving, small families, weekend trips, first-time buyers, or someone who wants a compact sedan that doesn't feel boring. And then there's the rear. Honestly, this might be the cleanest part of the whole car. The full-width taillight gives it that modern Hyundai look, and the way the rear is shaped makes the car look wider and more planted. The trunk area is smooth, the rear bumper is simple but sporty, and the black lower section gives it just enough contrast to keep it from looking plain. It's not over-designed, it's not trying to look like a race car, but it still looks futuristic, and that's where this concept really works. It moves the Elantra into a more premium space without turning it into something unrecognizable. Compared to the newly revealed Avante, this blue Elantra concept feels like a more realistic American market version. The Avante looks sharper and more experimental, with a futuristic shape, bold lighting, and a more dramatic attitude. This feels more closer to home and not like something that may take time to be likable. It still has the futuristic lighting, it still has the sleek body, it still has the modern Hyundai personality, but it looks more consumer ready. Hyundai really doesn't need to create something out of this world because not many people will be able to swallow something too different. They just need to make the next generation feel newer and cleaner. Also, if Hyundai made an N-line or full Elantra N using this body, that could give the Civic Si, Jetta GLI, Kia K4 GT line, and maybe even the Acura Integra a real problem, even without going full full performance, this concept shows how strong the next Elantra could be. It looks sharper than a Corolla, more dramatic than a Sentra, more affordable than a premium sedan, and more futuristic than a lot of compact cars on the road right now. Compact sedans are not dead, they just need to feel exciting again. SUVs may be taking over, but plenty of buyers still want something lower, sleeker, cheaper to own, and easier to park.